Ingezo Chigelele yonke indawo. Please welcome to Ingezo Education. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like video. Thank you very much. So now in this video now, just like to do explanation of what now, explanation of just what I did in the first video there, which is now they say definite integral is a what? It's an integral where the range over which the integral has to be calculated is given. So now you see now the upper limit, which is now we have what, the lower limit, which is x equals to a, then now b, x is equals to b is the what, is the upper limit. Now you see that, which is the area of the shaded part is this one. Now the area of the shaded part is this one. Then now what, before we get to the area of the shaded part, so now this is how we determine the what, the area of the shaded part, the integral of the what, of the upper limit and the lower limit, what function to be integrated in terms of x there. So in this video now I'll just be doing what, I'll be doing more examples of integrals. Now I'll be just doing more examples of integrals now. Thank you very much. So now the first example will be what now, which is, it will be example number 2 now. Example 2, which is we're given the what, the integral of 3 and 1, and then we're given what, 3x squared plus how much, plus 2x minus how much, minus 4 d's of x. Now so before we integrate, we're just going to separate the integral side, which is 3 and 1, which is 3x squared plus how much, the integral of 3 and 1, which is 2x, minus the integral of 4x raised to exponent of 0 d's of x. Now we start integrating now. So how are we going to integrate now? We're just going to have what, oh, we don't integrate, we just take out the constant first. The integral of 3 and 1 x squared plus 2 integral of how much, of x, minus how much, 4 integral of how much, x raised to exponent of 0 d's of x. Now we start integrating now, which is we're going to have how much now, 3 x raised to exponent of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 x raised to exponent of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 4 integral of integrated x raised to exponent of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. Then what is our roots now? 3 and 1. Those are our roots, which is we're going to have 3x cubed. We're going to have 3x cubed divided by 3 plus how much, 2x squared divided by 2 minus 4x with our roots there, 3 and 1, which is 3 and 3 will divide each other, 2 and 2 will divide each other, will be left with what, x cubed plus how much, plus x squared minus 4x and our roots there, 3 and how much, 3 and 1, which is we determine the area now. Remember we said now upper limit, substitution, sub upper limit minus what, the sub of what, of the lower limit, which is you're going to have how much now, we're going to have 3 all cubed plus how much, 3 all cubed plus 3 all squared minus 4 into 3 minus into how much, 1 all cubed plus how much, plus 1 all squared minus 4 into how much now, into 1, which is the area equals to how much now, The area will be equals to how much now? 3 squared now, 3 cubed, it will be how much? 27. 27 plus 9 and minus 4, it is 24 now, which is now we're going to have how much? This one, 1, when 1, it will be how much? 2. 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2. Negative 2 multiplied by how much? By negative, it will be how much? Positive 2, which is we're going to have 24 plus how much? 24 plus 2, which is the total in all is how much? 26. That is the area. Thank you very much. So that will be the area between which roots now? That will be the area between these two roots now. Remember, I'm doing this now to break down the content so that you can be able to understand how did we reach this point now? How did we reach this part now? We reached this part because of what? Separating the integral sign and integrating them individually. So thank you very much.